Hello friends, welcome to our Node Monitor channel. Today we will see how to interface 16x2 LCD module with Arduino. This is very easy. Before we proceed, please subscribe our channel if you have not yet subscribed. That will be a great help to me. Okay, without further delay, let's start. This program is straightforward. In the Arduino IDE, go to File, Examples, Liquid Crystal, Hello World. 16x2 LCD comprises of 16 columns and 2 rows. All the heavy lifting is done by the LCD module. We have to make connections as mentioned here. This is very important. This is the link you can open and know more about this project. I have also given this link in the description. Here is the programming. The important thing is to include LiquidCrystal.h library. Now at line number 49, you can see we create an instance named LCD for the Liquid Crystal class. Liquid Crystal is the class and LCD is the instance we created. And the parameters are passed RS, EN, D4, D5, D6 and D7. These things are defined in line number 48. Then everything becomes very simple. To begin operation, we just write lcd.begin and the parameters we tell the system that it is a 16x2 LCD module. Then whatever we write with lcd.print, it prints in the LCD module. This is as simple as that. With LCD set cursor command, we supply two parameters. First one is the column number and second one is the row number. In 16x2 LCD module, we have column numbers from 0 to 15 because we are having 16 columns, and rows 0 to 1. That means first row is 0 and second row is 1. Just to know that Arduino is working, we are just updating time in seconds in the second row. Let's upload the sketch. It's now uploaded successfully. So I just open that link in the browser. And connect the center pin of 10 kilo ohm potentiometer to V0 pin of LCD module. This is used for a contrast operation. And other connections as per this diagram, we have to do the exact connections. There are so many wires, so please do it with patience, otherwise LCD panel will not work. Connect pin number 15 with a 220 ohm resistor and 16 number pin to the ground. This is the LCD backlight connection. So pin number 2 to 4 of Arduino is going to D7 to D4 of LCD respectively. Pin number 11 of LCD's enable pin, and pin number 12 of Arduino to LCD's RS pin. RS is the register select. This is our LCD. This is the back side of it. So BSS is ground, VDD is plus 5 volt, B0 to adjust the contrast, RS is the register select, RW is the read write. This is for read write operation with the LCD. E is the enable pin. Then D0 to D7 are data pins. A and K are for LCD backlight. Let's connect to the breadboard. So I have done all connections as per the diagram. You see hello world is written in the panel. Let's reset the UNO board now. You see the first row. In the first row hello world is written, and in the second row time in seconds is updating. So let's adjust the contrast now. Let's adjust the contrast by moving the potentiometer. Yes, now it is beautiful. You can see this. That's all in this video. In the next video we will see different commands related to the LCD module. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.